Right now, we are going on a walk. Am I doing it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I want to vlog.
I can't not do the voice. Wait, let me try again. So today I'm going to be filming another vlog. I feel like I keep doing so many vlogs, but I hope people are enjoying them. But we're starting this off by going on a walk. So we're going on like a 6-mile walk this afternoon because it's a really nice day. It was really hot earlier, but it's, well, okay, not really hot. When I say really hot, it was like 22 degrees. So yeah, I thought it'd be fun to take the camera and start a vlog. And we'll see what else we do. We might be going to this hill.
That's not the highest one.
Are we going to the highest one?
The highest one.
Oh, right, okay.
It's actually 2 meters smaller.
Oh, so it's, I mean, so it's basically that height.
Yeah, but it's not the biggest one. You got the biggest one.
My feet hurt.
That was a fat walk.
It's muddy.
3.5 hours.
Felt like longer than that.
Decent amount of elevation though.
I didn't film much in the second half of the walk because we went quite cross country.
We went down a very steep hill,
Yeah.
but then found some very pretty waterfalls. So it all worked out in the end.
Also, my eyes are getting itchy now because I didn't take any antihistamine.
Oh, I did. I'm so hungry. Get some scan and a couple of tinnies, I think.
Okay, we just got back. I've got a parcel. Do you know who it's for?
It was addressed to you.
Yeah, it was.
Like the skirt, I mean.
Oh.
I put it as you.
But this isn't Nike packaging.
Yeah.
Danny bought me a skirt, which we'll see maybe later in the vlog.
What is it?
Is that the skirt? Yeah.
It is the skirt.
It is. Yay! Okay, I'll try it on. Okay, just so you know how much of a mess I like everywhere else. But Danny bought me this skirt. This tennis skirt. It's so nice, I really like it.
Look how red your knee is.
Yeah, no, it's because I'm walking through all those bushes. Wow.
You're doing the thing again. You you walked me over there like this.
I just like having you in it. It's a while later now and I've had a shower and I've put on some clothes and we're now going to go over to my family's house to give some cinnamon, well, half of a cinnamon roll because we made cinnamon rolls yesterday and I told my brother that I would give him one. I'm also going to see my dog. Can't wait. Let's do the cinnamon roll.
In the authentic Greek yogurt tin.
It looks disgusting.
It was fucking banging, by the way.
So it's the next day now. It's about 4. We got up so late today, as per usual. All I've done today is I've tidied our room because it was such a mess. And then I also did some of my online course that I've been doing.
Wow, they're the fucking focal point of the whole shop. Wow.
But right now, I think we're actually about to go back up to my flat. I know I literally did just upload my move out vlog, but basically I didn't give my keys back that day because I was like, I might need to go up again at some point. I don't really know why I thought I would, but I just thought on the off chance I just won't give them back yet. But obviously I was going to give them back at some point, but just not right now. But the next day, like literally as soon as I woke up, I'd got an email from them being like, we know you've moved out and we want the keys back. I don't know how they knew that I'd moved out all my stuff because I know my bedroom was clear, but like I might not have cleared the kitchen out, so I kind of thought that was a wee bit creepy that they sent me that email. Like I kind of feel like someone's stalking me, but I don't want to get fined for my keys, so we're gonna go back up to my flat today and leave the keys there. Not gonna be like seeing anyone. I think I just leave them in my room as far as I know, and then we have to go to Danny's flat because his old flatmate got some letter posted there or something like that. I don't really know. Again, obviously we're not going to see anyone. And also, I did not mention this yesterday, but when we went to my parents' house yesterday, we were sitting in the garden and we were social distance. So I just wanted to quickly say that in case people think we're like breaking all these rules, but we're not. I might quickly film a video right now because Danny's playing Xbox, but I don't know if I've got time. But I kind of want to put a video up today, and this vlog's not going to be done because I'm going to probably vlog tomorrow. I don't know. Also, I'll show you my outfit because I'm wearing the new skirt that Danny got me. I've got the new skirt on, the Nike tennis skirt. I don't know the exact name for this skirt, but I love it. And then I've got this Nike base layer top on that I wore in the styling my boyfriend's clothes video. So this is actually Danny's, but feels like it goes well with the outfit. Very sporty today. We just got to Danny's, and on our way we saw that one of the pubs was doing pints on draft.
First draft pint in about fucking 15 weeks or something. Oh, it's right cold.
Unfortunately, I'm driving, so I couldn't get anything.
First
Not
one
that I like pints, but they were selling cider.
was gubbed. See if you like it, because it's draft and really cold. It's a good pint.
Well, I don't like
It's a good pint.
beer. No.
Oh, disappointing.
I mean, it's a nice feeling drinking
nice.
a cold one.
A cold one with the boys.
But now we're gonna order food or something, right? We ordered Pizza Hut, and it just got here, except they've given us the wrong order. So they've given us ham and pineapple, and I don't know what this is, Danny. Mushroom and something. But it's not like they can take it away.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not that fussed, I'll eat ham and pineapple.
I spilled
Okay, I just got a package and I thought I would show you. I ordered some stuff from Look Fantastic. I basically really needed a toner for my hair because, as you can tell, it's literally yellow. But then it was like, spend £21 for free delivery. And I was like, why not? So I bought this purple shampoo from Fudge Professional. The reviews seem quite good. It's a really tiny bottle though, but I'm gonna try that out tomorrow probably. And then I bought a Real Technique sponge because I used to have a beauty blender and then it was like absolutely disgusting. So I went on eBay and tried to buy another one, and they had ones for like £1, and I don't know why I seem to think that that was actually going to be a real beauty blender, and obviously it wasn't, and it was really bad. So I thought I would try this one out because it's a lot cheaper. I'll test that out today maybe. Then I bought this L'Oreal Repair 10-in-1 spray. I was basically looking for a heat protectant for my hair, and this came up and said it did like 10 different things, so I thought I'd try that as well. Then I bought this retinol cream from the Inky list. I had been seeing that when you're in your 20s you should use retinol on your face and then you won't age, and I just turned 20, so I thought that I should start doing some skincare. Oh wait, it says 25 plus.
Oh my god, you're gonna die!
It didn't say that on the website. I think it's fine.
Of course it's fine.
It says 25 plus. And then the last thing I got, I don't really know why I got this, I'm not gonna lie. But I got a lip liner, this Maybelline one, in the shade Nude Whisper. I feel as though I probably already have a lip liner that's kind of this colour, and I don't actually wear lip stuff that much, but I kind of want to start wearing it. But I just feel as though it doesn't actually look that good on my lips, but I thought I would get a new lip liner. And hopefully this isn't too dark because I'm so pale, like every lip liner is so dark on me, so hopefully that will be fine. So that was everything I got. This sponge is quite good, Danny. Why do you do that? so I just finished getting ready. I used the new stuff that I got. Also Danny and I wear matching tops today. And right now we're gonna go downstairs and make some cocktails. I quite like the sponge, but I think I look weird wearing but I think I look weird wearing lip liner without foundation on. I don't know.
You did it again, I'm already standing up. Hello, Flo. Oh, got it in the glass.
Are you sure? Oh my god! My head's so close to the ceiling. Right now we're about to go downstairs and do some baking. We're gonna make some, oh my god Danny, I'm gonna fall. We're gonna bake some caramel shortbread because it's Father's Day tomorrow and my dad really likes that, so I'm gonna bring him some over when I go there tomorrow.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I was trying to squat.
Oh my god. Danny, please let me down. Please let me down.
Relax, please.
Oh my god, that was terrifying. What you need to make this is chocolate. We've gone for some dairy milk, but you know, any chocolate your choice does. Some shortbread. You can also make your own biscuit base, but we're lazy, so we bought our own shortbread. Some butter, some sugar, and some condensed milk. This actually took us like weeks to find. We tried to make this the other week without condensed milk and it didn't really work. It was still delicious, but it just wasn't really what we were going for.
Exactly how your pupil works. Queasy.
So we've decided to come out on a nice
Have you already done this clip?
Yeah, because the sunset's really nice and it's also the summer solstice tonight, so we thought while we were waiting for our caramel to set, we'd just come out on a walk.
Sweet.
So it's the next day now. I forgot to finish the vlog last night, but our caramel shortcake was really good and I gave it to my dad today and he really liked it as well. Not sure how I feel about this vlog right now. I feel so I maybe went a wee bit overboard on the montages, so I don't really know because I kind of usually prefer when vlogs are a bit more chatty and this one wasn't really, but I hope you enjoyed anyway and I will see you in my next video.